Hey, 11-foot kayak fans, what's up? Welcome back to another segment of 11-foot foam and fabric kayak. Today, I'm going to spare you some time. I already did the assembly. Some people call it a build, I call it an assembly. Kayak crate. So, what I did here is, I have two crates. You have to sacrifice one, so you can cut this part off. Don't have to do this, but I did it because I want it where you can see where it just right here it fits right in the bottom just like that. And I put a piece of that bungee that you got on here and a little hook to keep it shut. So if I want to set stuff up here that can roll around or whatever, there you go. And then to hold things down at the top, because I want to bolt something down, I bought these in the plumbing aisle. Package of these for, I don't know, like a 50 cents. And what they are, they hold the toilet lid down. Toilet lid bolts. They're big and they're easy, easy for you to work if you have fat fingers like I do. You can either, you can drill a hole or put it in. Let's see. That should stay right there. I mean, if you're bolting something down to it, that goes through the item. This right here will slide around here anywhere you like, but for now I just I have some holes that this is where these stay until I need them. Oops. And then you can put whatever you want to put inside here. I just have some lures that I use, some of the freshwater lures, saltwater stuff. Depends on what I'm doing. I'll take something with me. Of course, I always have a sponge that's got a scrubbing element to it, so you can shut that. And then on these, we all know what rod holders are. I have cut that one so when it sets in there, it won't be touching against the floor with that angle. But also that angle also does another thing, is you can take these loose, just pop them loose with your knife, or you could actually slide them out. But take them and flip them over because of that edge. Surely you've seen these in Academy where there might be just a little bit longer with a flared out edge, but they're like $20, and you take it and you just, here. Yeah, see, those zip ties hold it pretty good. You just pull one out and then put it in the sand and wiggle it and push down, and it sinks right in the sand. If you need a flared top on it, much like, let's see like a flared top on that, all you do is heat it up. Oh, there we go. Heat it up, press it down on the bottle. This one I offset the flare so it won't, I can put this against there. It's bolted down, but just heat that plastic up until it's just flimsy, and take it. You don't have to heat the whole thing, just heat the end that you want to, and push it down on top of a soda bottle or something like that until it flares out like you want it. And then you could actually carve in a little divot for for your rod handle to go through. But I found this adequate for me. This one right here had a little chip, so I just went ahead and used it. But that is my kayak crate. Of course, these things right here, these are awesome. You want to bungee something to this, just put it right up against there, and it goes over the ball just like that. So I'll take that thing and let's see, move over here, lickety split, make you seasick, and let's set that in the boat. I had it set this way on my other kayak because I reach around with my right arm when flipping the, let's see, we're bumping around here, sorry about that. Flip it open, get your stuff out of it. Or you can move this to the other side, depending on if you're right-handed, left-handed, which way you bend the best. You can do it this way and just run this through the run this through here like this, and then plunge it there, or just take a couple of these little guys right here, and if you had the little hooks, put it on there any way you want to put it on. So, yeah, because I didn't want rod holders in here. I was worried about that foam when it starts holding water and setting. If you don't get all that water out, it's going to make your foam start to rot, start to stink. It's just not not a good idea to have a spot where it can start rotting. And if you take care of one of these foam and fabric boats or kayaks, they should last you a long time. I'll give you a close up down the side. Now think of the name for the boat. I have never named a boat. Well, I had a 23-foot Chris Craft one time. I named it Slumlord. My neighbors thought it was insulting. It's like, well, I live here too. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, hit that like button. Leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification. See you soon on the next project.